Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to run through my summer wardrobe essentials. So think of this video kind of like a capsule wardrobe, but I feel like capsule wardrobes can kind of be like boxed in and typically have to be like boring and basic, and a lot of these pieces are basics and staples, but kind of customized to what I like. So let's go ahead and dive into some of my basics. I picked up 10 tops and picked out 10 bottoms and 2 dresses. These are some things that I've had in my wardrobe for a couple years now, some that are new. But yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys about why I like them, and I'm going to show you pictures of them actually styled on me, just so you can kind of see like actual pictures that I've worn these items in, and that's why they're staples to me. Alright, but before we jump into the clothing pieces, I want to say a big shout out to Van Linker for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys my essential sunglasses for the summer. So I picked out 4 new pairs. If you've never heard of Van Linker, they're actually on Amazon, and I have a coupon code which will save you 15% off. I'm obsessed with these sunglasses. They're like really good quality for an amazing affordable price. I actually have a pair of black ones that you guys have seen probably in many of my videos. These original pair of Van Linkers I purchased probably like over a year ago, and I love them, so I wanted them in tortoise. So I quickly wanted to run through these sunglasses that I picked out to rock all summer long, especially moving back into Texas. I knew I was gonna want some more sunglasses, and I love having a variety because they can completely change the way an outfit looks. So let's go ahead and try on the ones that I picked out. So the first ones, like I said, I own these in black. They are the perfect, like straight across, very chic kind of sunglasses. I did wear these when we were out on a hike this weekend and kind of scuffed it on a rocks, but you can't really tell, thankfully. But I loved these. I feel like they fit my face, like I don't have to worry about them falling down. Scott says I look very like, what was the word he used? I don't know, sassy, whatever. I love these. These just go with everything, very classic. I love the shape because I actually like to see my eyebrows in certain sunglasses, and I feel like these are just chic, but add an extra flair to an outfit. So that's the first pair. The next one are an oval shape. I own this kind of shape in a black, but I do not own it in tortoise. Again, you can see the eyebrows. I like that look. I love the simplisticness of this. I like a small sunglass. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to show you a big sunglass, but I love a small little sunglass. These are giving very 90s. My mom would have worn a pair of sunglasses like these. I think they're so cute and very delicate for the face, but just instantly add so much to an outfit. Next pair, I've been seeing these all over girls on Instagram and Pinterest, and this shape is to die for. I love the bigger sides on these, but I like how these are slightly like lifted up, not a cat eye because they don't have like a point, but like an oval upturned look, and I feel like it just brings the face up. They feel really sturdy. And another thing, don't touch the cheeks. That's huge for me. So I love these. Love this thick side. I think it's really cool, and I just love the shape of these black ones. And then last but not least, I actually own these in a blue lens version, but I wanted a tortoise. These are fun. These are giving like she's super cool. Like if you have a very basic outfit but want to kind of elevate it in an easy way. I really truly believe that a sunglass can change the complete look of your outfit and just elevate it so simply and so basically. I love these. I love this little metal kind of tea-ish detail in the front. So good. So love the glasses that I picked out to rock all summer long, and if you are looking for some new sunglasses, check out Van Linker. Like I said, you can find them on Amazon. So affordable, but really nice quality. Like good weight, good hinges, not flimsy, not floppy, and yeah, I can't go wrong. So go ahead and use my code right here on the screen, and I will have, again, all the details in the description box down below. Now, let's go ahead and get into the clothes. Okay, so I'm gonna run through each piece. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it and then put up pictures on the side as well as specific item. I will also have everything linked down below if you're curious to pick up things, but I really encourage you to pull your own capsule wardrobe. I think I talk about this all the time, and I'm loosely calling it a capsule wardrobe. One size does not fit all. That's the reason I hated the term capsule wardrobe for so long, because I feel like it was just you have to have these items, but so many people it's so different. I truly looked at all the pictures I've been recently taking from my like Pinterest videos and my spring outfits videos and all of that, and really just figured, well, these pieces I use all the time, so these are my essentials. So if you're looking to have like some help in kind of adding specific things to your wardrobe, or phasing things out, whatever, I thought this video would be fun. So the first being a white tank top. Now some people might like a low one, some people might like a high one like I do, some people might like a different shape, whatever. I love the shape of this. I am a high neck kind of girl. I'm not a cleavagey kind of girl personally, but to each his own. I love this one. This one specifically is from Abercrombie. I think I've had this for 2 years maybe. I also have it in gray. I love it. I feel like these are not sheer, like the Target ones that I have are really, really sheer and thin. It's like a nicer quality. This can be worn dressed up, dressed down very casually, but I feel like a white little tank like this is a must for me in my summer wardrobe. If you're not a white girl, swap it with a different color. Next, I know, boring, but the perfect little white tee. This is actually from Hanes, this one specifically. I get mine in a large. I have like a giant pack of these and they're perfect. I can throw them on in the most casual outfit, or I feel like I can dress them up. They are not sheer at all, and I just don't know why I ever spend a lot of money on t-shirts, because these are just perfection. I have a full video where I styled this t-shirt like a couple different ways, so I'll throw that up in the cards, but just a little Hanes tee that I got off of Amazon in a size large has like been a game changer, and I love it. I wear them probably like 3 times to 4 times a week. They're just basic and good. The next is a little stripe shirt for me. This specific one I love. I have this in 3 different colors from Everlane. This one I have in a medium. They're kind of cropped and boxy, so if you want a longer length, I'm a true small. If you want a longer length, go ahead and size up if you want to be able to tuck it in. But I love this. I love it tucked in. I love this like kind of boat neck top. I also love it thrown over the shoulders. I just feel like nautical stripes all the time. I'm obsessed with them, but I loved the navy backing on this. I have a white with a black stripe, green with white stripe, and this one's a navy with white stripes. Definitely a must-have. Now, I'm gonna get into the mecca of button-ups, because if you can't tell, button-ups are what my wardrobe consists of. If button-ups are not your thing, girl, don't put them in your capsule wardrobe or your like a summer essentials. But a white crispy button-up, I recently left mine in Mexico, so I had to buy a new one. This one's from H&M. I love going to H&M for button-ups, specifically linen. They're just really good. So like this white one with the little shell kind of detail, crisp, looks good with shorts, jeans, anything. You guys will see. I wear these all the time. I love a good linen shirt. I think linen is something that's a very natural fiber, so as we're headed into those really warm months, like you think, oh, I don't want a long sleeve, but it's so breezy and so lightweight that it's actually cooler to wear than something that's more of a synthetic fabric. So love linen. It doesn't touch the body. It's just loose and flowy, and it's great. Next is this yellow one. I'm so excited to wear this a million times. I did just recently pick this up in my H&M haul, which I will throw in the cards, but I know I'm going to wear the heck out of this. It's kind of like a, I was explaining it in the haul, not a butter yellow. This is more of a butter yellow. This is more of like a honey mustard color, if you will. But yellow is my color right now. I'm obsessed with it. Can't believe I went so long without wearing it. So when I saw this, I knew that I had to have it. And I just recently picked it up, but I know it's going to be a staple. Now this piece is not a new piece to me. I think I've had this probably for like 3-4 years. A good striped button-up. I also love getting my button-ups from Abercrombie. This one specifically is from Abercrombie. I get it in an extra small, and it's pretty much as oversized, a little bit less oversized than this, but very similar. This can just be worn so many ways. I love tucking this into trouser shorts, wearing it with whites, jeans, anything. It just goes so well, and I feel like it's the perfect like light summer blue. But they do have this royal blue that I'm going to link down below that I'm eyeing and low-key want to grab. I think I might. But a good straight button-up, and Abercrombie does them so well. This is good to layer over the top of a tank, wear as a swimsuit cover-up, wear like as a shirt. I obsess. Now, I fell in love with my dark denim button-up that I'm about to show, and I knew I wanted a light one. Now, my criteria for a button-up like this is I truly didn't want it to have pockets. I literally just got this from Express. I just ordered it. I've never ordered anything from Express, and the last time I shopped there when I was like probably in like college or high school, but nonetheless, this light blue denim, I was on the hunt for a light blue denim that did not have pockets in the front. Pockets on the front of denim shirts give me Western vibes very quickly, so I wanted something that was plain. I love wearing these with linen. I love doing a little cowboy look with the denim tuxedo situation, but I wanted to make sure that it didn't look super Western. So I have to wash this because there's like a line on this that I need to figure out if that goes away or if I need to exchange it for a different one. But love a good light blue denim. I used to have one, but I have no idea where that must have missed a closet clean out. This one is the one that sparked all of my love again for denim button-ups. Again, this one's from Target. The one that I'm linking does have a pocket, but this one is old. I've had it for a while now. Love this. I have styled this a million times. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know that denim button-up goes with me everywhere, and I pretty much wear it at least once a week. Let's finish off with sweaters, and I know you might be thinking, okay, sweaters, girl, but it can get kind of chillier in the evenings depending on where you live, and I also like using these over the shoulders, you know. So this butter yellow one that I got from Zara is my favorite, and this sweater actually surprised me. When I was going through all of the pictures that I'd recently taken of all of my outfits, this popped up way more than I thought it would. I bought this with the idea of wearing this a ton in the fall, and I didn't. I'm wearing this more in the summer, and I love it. It's great. It's a good little layering piece, whether you're putting it on again or throwing it over the shoulders. But this little cable knit sweater I got from J. Crew Factory, and it's been a really good investment for the summer and not the fall for me, but whatever, we're rolling with it. So that's all for tops. Let's move into bottoms. So this is another piece that I had to rebuy because I left mine in Mexico. These little white linen shorts, and I bought them in a smaller size, not realizing I couldn't find my previous order, and I guessed, and these are a little bit small on me. I wish I would have gone up a size, but love these white linen shorts from Cotton On. I'm very picky because I want it to have a thin string and not like a thick band like these. I'm going to show you these ones. Oop. These striped ones, these have a thicker band. I don't mind it as much because it's more of a boxer trend, whereas this I wanted just a thin band. This is giving boxer trends without like the actual buttons. I own these in 2 different colors. The blue is definitely my most worn. It has pockets in it. These are super affordable and really easy to just kind of mix and match with so many different things. So I have been loving the boxer trend short. Like I said, I'm not full in on the buttons or anything like that, but that has been a fun way. Next are shorts. Okay, so I had been on the hunt for some new denim shorts, and I have been loving these H&M ones, but I wanted a classic pair to put in here that didn't have a cuff, so I went over to Abercrombie and I fell in love with them. I feel like I didn't try the dad short last year, or I didn't get my sizing right, or something was wrong, or I liked a tighter leg, and this year I'm wanting more of a looser fit on my legs, so I picked out these 2 pair of shorts. They're both the dad short. This first one is this light kind of acid wash print, which I have something similar to this, but I sized way the heck up in my denim shorts. I'm typically a 28 or 26 in their pants, but I got a 28, which is a size 6, and I love the way these fit. Very classic, very pretty, can be worn dressed up, dressed down. If you want to see how to, like, a video on how I would elevate denim shorts from like what you would maybe typically wear to more of an elevated look, let me know in the comments down below. But I also got them in the dark wash. I've worn these a ton already, and they're perfect. They're the perfect size for me. They're perfect, like everything. I used to think that denim shorts were uncomfortable until I realized I was just wearing the wrong size of denim shorts. So these are staple basics, and those are new ads for the season. Something that's not a new ad, I think I've had these for 2 years now. These are a trouser short. I love these. These specifically are in navy. Abercrombie has so many different colors, black, white, they have linen finishes. These are just like the standard trouser material that they have, and I got this in a small. I don't think they run by small, mediums, larges anymore. I think they go by your pant size, but these are so nice. I've worn these so many different ways, casual, dressed up. They're perfect. So I definitely recommend adding a trouser short in for a little bit of an elevation if you like an elevated look. Let's move on to linen pants because these have become my obsession. I don't know what happened, or last year I wasn't wearing linen pants. That was a fail. So I was wearing a lot of linen shorts, but not linen pants. So these white ones I got from H&M. Love the band on these. It's got a drawstring, so it looks not as like thick. I don't know how to explain it. It's not a deal breaker for me that it's not thin, but these are nice linen pants. They're see-through. You just have to know what it is. They're not double lined, but they're breathable, and I love them. So just wear nude undergarments and you'll be fine. And linen wrinkles, and that's okay too. It's a natural fiber. So Next thing is these striped ones. I've worn these a ton as well. These are just comfortable, very casual, but can be kind of slightly elevated with a pattern. So love these striped ones. I recently picked those up as well. I also have them in like 3 other colors, but we're sticking with my basics, the ones that I've worn the most this year. Next, jeans. Yes, I do still believe a jean is good for the summer, depending on where you live, depending on the occasion. And I think you just need 2 solid pairs of jeans. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm really gone away from the ripped details on denim shorts and denim pants. So these ones have been my everything. When I found Levi 501s, the originals, I've not turned back. These light wash, kind of acid wash, medium light wash, have been everything. They're so comfortable. These do have a stretch to them. I just feel like they fit me at the right length. They're straight. They're flattering on the behind. I love these. Cannot go wrong. If you've never tried Levi 501s, try them and do not pay full price. They're always running sales because they're kind of pricey full price. But next are these darker medium wash. You guys have seen these a million times. I think I bought these last fall. I'm not sure exactly, but these became my everything. I love the wash on these. These do not have stretch, even though they're the exact same denim or exact same style as the other ones. So these don't have stretch. Always look at your jean makeup. If you're looking for a stiff, long-lasting kind of denim and doesn't look cheap, go with 100% cotton. These ones from H&M, 100% cotton. The Abercrombie ones have some stretch into them, but they look like they're 100% cotton. All right, last bottom, and then we'll get into dresses, is this little mini skirt. I have surprised myself with how much I've worn this. I love it. It's one of my favorite pieces that I own. I think it's very fun. It's very flirty, but it's cool. Like, it's not full length, so you can see a little bit of ankle. I think it's cool to dress it with a sneaker or a flat. It can be dressed up, dressed down. I love this thing. So depending on what your style is, sometimes some girls are like more of a pencil skirt, more of a shorter skirt, more of like a full maxi, but this one has become my favorite. And then last but not least, we have linen dresses. So the first being a white linen dress. I recently picked this up from Quince. I know I will wear the heck out of this dress. I have been missing just a plain, good dress that fits well, that's not too short, that's breathable, that's everything. And this is it. And I'm a bra girl through and through, but I do not need to wear a bra with this. It's just good. The way it fits, everything, it's everything. I love it. I love the little ties in the back, the zipper. So if you haven't seen my Quince haul, check it out. Quince has got some really great pieces. But I knew that I loved it so much in the white that I grabbed it in the black. I just feel like this can be a little bit more dressy than the white one. The white one screams more daytime, whereas this one screams more nighttime. You can pair it with heels if you want. Bold accessories, which I think would be cute, or you can dress it down completely with like a fun hat and a sneaker. So there's so many different ways I think these dresses could be styled, and I love them. So you guys, that is it. Those are my 22 summer essentials, closet staples for this summer 2024. I'm excited to continue to style them for you guys. I did a lot of like spring outfits on the channel over the last month or so. I'm going to be amping up for summer since Memorial Day really screams summer for me. After Memorial Day, I'm like, okay, it's summer, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite or your summer staple? What is something that you have that you're like, girl, why don't you have that? Because maybe I just didn't know I needed it. And maybe it will change my life. Or maybe I am just really good with my closet basic staples that I just love, that I can style a million different ways. So think of this kind of as your capsule wardrobe. But if you've ever felt overwhelmed by capsule wardrobing, that means it's not right for you, and that's okay. So you can just stick with wardrobe essentials. And a lot of these don't just stay with me in the summer. They were my spring, and they will be some of my fall. I hope you guys enjoyed my little wardrobe staples for the summer. And don't forget to check out Van Linker if you are on the market for some really great, affordable, but high quality sunglasses that will just elevate any outfit you wear this summer. Go ahead and check out the details in the description box and use my code right here. And again, big shout out to Van Linker for partnering with me on today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.